I just think you have to embrace, everything that coach says and what coach wants you to do, and just do it to the best of your ability, and just to practice hard and just to be engaged. And I think when you do those things, you transition pretty well. Well, coach likes to play fast and likes to play a certain way. So I think that's part of the reason why they brought me here is, fitting what he wants to do. And so it's been easier for me, for sure. No, I think, the team has been through something like this before. I think everyone has experienced breaks, due to cancellation of games and things like this. It's just part of the season. So for us, we just have to adapt. Absolutely. They have a lot of really good scorers, especially at the guard position. And I think they're a lot better than their record shows. They have a lot of guys that can score, and they've lost a lot of close games. So for us, we have to definitely improve on the defensive end, because I think we'll be able to score points against anybody we play.